Hi friends, this is Vibe with Vije cooking vlog. What's special today? Yes, it is the Vanjaram fish fry. Superb, yummy taste with garlic flavor. Ultimate. Come, let's cook. For this, we need for about 10 Vanjaram fish pieces. We need 3 spoons of chili powder, turmeric 1 spoon, dhania 1 spoon, salt 1 spoon, corn flour 1 spoon, rice powder 1 spoon, pepper powder 1 spoon, oil 1 spoon, and lime, fresh lime half you can add, or in 1.5 spoons you can add a little bit of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon you can add. Now you have to take 15 flakes of garlic, crush it and then keep it aside. To this paste powders, you have to add the paste, the coarsely grinded 15 flakes of garlic you have to add along with this powder and then mix it well, and then you have to take each piece separately and add the chili paste one by one. Don't add it all together. If you add it together, there are chances of the fish to be getting spoiled. So it's better to add the chili paste one by one. As you all know that Vanjaram fish is rich in proteins. It controls the inflammation. It has lot of iron, and iron is good for hair as well. It reduces blood pressure. Wow. It has lot of omega-3 fatty acids. It's very good for brain as well as it is good for the skin too. So we must be fortunate enough to have this Vanjaram fish fry monthly twice at least, and mix it properly. Let it stay or rest for about 20 minutes minimum in the refrigerator or in the sun. Since we have added lime, salt, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, corn flour, rice powder, all this mixed well goes and adds to taste, and when we eat it along with the garlic flavor, wow, very superb and yummy taste. You have to try this mixture and just comment if you like it. Please support Vibe with Vije cooking vlog for more and healthy recipes. Now you have to rest this for about 20 minutes. This we can use it as a healthy snacks too. The office goers, when you return back, you can just have 2 fishes. If you marinate it and keep it in the fridge, you can come back and fry 2 fishes and eat, and avoid the junk food outside. And now we have to heat the pan or tawa, add 3 spoons of oil. Place the 4 pieces, and each side you have to cook 5 minutes until it's done. Wow, superb, yummy, tasty, crispy, healthy Vanjaram fish is ready in Vibe with Vije cooking vlog for you all to taste. Please do make it Vanjaram fish fry. Thank you for watching.